All right, let's talk about something that can get overwhelming fast: crypto taxes. If you're using Coinbase Wallet, figuring out what you owe and how to report is complicated, but don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how taxes work with Coinbase Wallet, what the IRS expects from you, and how you can automate the whole process using Awaken. Here's the plan for today. First, I'll break down how Coinbase Wallet is different from Coinbase itself when it comes to taxes, because the two are not the same. Then I'll explain what you need to track. Spoiler alert, there's a bit more work when you are using a wallet versus a centralized exchange. Finally, I'll walk you through importing your wallet to Awaken and generating a tax report in minutes. Trust me, if you've been dreading tax season, this video is going to make your life so much easier. Let's start with the basics. If you're using Coinbase Wallet, you're holding your crypto in a decentralized way. That means you're in full control of your assets, but it also means Coinbase isn't tracking your transactions for you. Every trade, every swap, every NFT purchase, it's all on you to report. And yes, even swapping one token for another is considered a taxable event. If you don't know all the taxable events in crypto, check out this video that I made on that. Everything needs to be reported. So how do you report this? The key is tracking everything: your buys, your sells, your swaps, and any income from staking or rewards. If you've used decentralized exchanges or bought NFTs, those count too. And the tricky part is calculating your gains and losses, especially if you've been moving crypto between wallets or swapping frequently. And here is where most people get stuck, because Coinbase Wallet doesn't provide tax forms like a centralized exchange does. That's where Awaken comes in, and honestly, it's a game changer. Awaken is a crypto tax tool that connects directly to your Coinbase wallet. It pulls your transaction history, organizes everything, and calculates your taxable events. Instead of spending hours sifting through blockchain data or spreadsheets, Awaken does it all for you in just a few clicks. Whether you've been trading, staking, or flipping NFTs, this tool will save you time and help you avoid any tax headaches. There are 3 simple steps to calculating your Coinbase Wallet taxes with Awaken. Once you are in the Awaken software, you'll want to head to the Accounts section and click Add Account. Here you will see all the wallets and exchanges Awaken supports. I'm going to navigate to Coinbase Wallet and hit Connect. You're going to want to nickname your wallet and add in every blockchain that you use. For example, if I want to add my Ethereum wallet, I'll just choose Ethereum. After that, I head into Coinbase Wallet, copy my public key, and add the account. Awaken will automatically start importing the wallet and adding all the transactions you've had for the year in your transactions section. Within the transactions section, you can see the cost basis, sell price, and profit or loss for each of your trades. You can also label what type of trade it was. Awaken will automatically label most trades for you though. After looking through the transactions section, we can head to the taxes section and generate a report for TurboTax, your CPA, or any other tax software that you use. At the top, you'll see your capital gains for the year, and if we scroll down, you can see the tax forms that you can generate. It's really that simple. Now you have your tax report for your Coinbase wallet. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. Don't wait until the last minute to get started. Tax deadlines come fast, and if your transactions aren't organized, it's easy to miss something important. Awaken not only saves you time, but it also helps you stay compliant so you can avoid penalties and keep the IRS happy. And if you've been putting this off because you didn't know where to start, now you do. Head to awaken.tax now. All right, that's it for today. If this video helped you understand how to handle taxes with Coinbase Wallet, let me know in the comments. And if you have any other questions about crypto taxes or you want me to cover another tool, drop those below too. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more tips to simplify your crypto journey. Thank you for watching, and good luck with those taxes.